Have you ever added a source to NotebookLM and it comes in as an error? This happens far too frequent for me. And I use NotebookLM in order to build collections to learn new things. And when I bring in certain websites or certain YouTube videos, I end up getting an error. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So here we have NotebookLM. And when I bring in a website, one of my favorite sites happens to be Social Media Examiner. And if I go ahead and grab that website and try to bring it in as a source, it will come up as a warning and tell me invalid URL. This means that they're doing something behind the scenes to prevent the collection of this material. But this material is really valuable to me, and I would love to have it in there so I can combine it with other resources of their site to increase my knowledge. So I'm going to remove this source and go back to this website. So I tried a variety of ways to get the information. I've copied the content and pasted it in as plain text. So results, right? It didn't give me what I wanted. I tried to print it as a PDF and I got certain results. But I've come across this tool that is an extension. It's called GoFullPage. Full page screen capture. So when I click on that particular site, it will now kind of chomp its way down the whole site. And it produces a long PDF page that I can save. And so I can download this as a PDF. When I go back to load the source, this time I'm going to choose a file and select that screen capture that I brought in. And it has brought in the content with that screen capture. And then I can go ahead and use NotebookLM as expected. So the other place that I have had trouble bringing in content is sometimes from YouTube. That YouTube, when I bring the content in, I'll get one of those errors. So I couldn't find an example to demonstrate this, but you will know it when it shows up. It'll indicate that it's an error and it didn't bring it in. So to get around that, basically you're looking for the transcript. And so if you go to your particular video and then go to where there's the description of that video and select more, scroll down, you can then click on the button that says show transcript. And ideally, you'll be able to have the whole transcript available. At this point in time, you just highlight it and copy the entire transcript. Make a copy of it, and now go back, and this time we're going to add, but instead you're going to paste copied text. And here you will paste in the transcript and insert. One of the things that I like to do at this point is I will go ahead and grab the name from the original YouTube video, and then as you mouse over your pasted text, you can rename that source and give it a title and then save it. So those are two different areas where I've had problems, and bringing in content, and 2 ways that I have gotten around that. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.